Hello friends, welcome to my channel Foodie Fanclub. Today I am going to make Lachha Paratha and it's very delicious. It is a multi-layer Indian flatbread prepared with a wheat flour and a plain flour. It's a perfect combination with any curry or as a breakfast. It's up to you. So let's start. Here I am taking 2 cups of maida or all-purpose flour. You can also use a wheat flour here if you want to. And add almost 4 tablespoons of ghee or a melted butter. You can also use the oil here if you want. Salt as per your taste. Mix all these ingredients really well and crumble it like this. Okay. At this stage our flour should be bind like this. Okay, now it's done. Add a water as per require and knead a smooth and soft dough like chapati. Okay, now our dough is almost done. At a time I am gonna add a 1 tablespoon of ghee again and knead the dough like this. Now cover the dough with the help of any lid or with a damp cloth, it's up to you, and rest it for a 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see our dough is really very smooth and soft. So knead it again for a while. And make the medium size of ball out of it. Okay, it's done and it's time to roll our balls here. So dust the flour and roll it like this. It should be thin like chapati, but shape doesn't matter at this stage. Okay, now it's done. So it's time to apply the ghee on the top of our chapati with the help of brush or with the help of fingers and a spoon, it's up to you. Now it's time to cut the strips out of it. Okay, so take a knife or a pizza cutter, it's up to you, but normally I prefer pizza cutter. And cut the chapati like this for layers. Okay, now it's done. So it's time to roll all these strips. So you can also roll with the help of knife or your fingers. But I like to roll with the help of my fingers, it's very easy. Okay, now it's done. At this stage I am going to brush a little ghee on the top of lachha or a dough strips, so it cannot be stick to each other. And now it's time to make a dough ball again. Okay, so make a dough ball like this. Okay, perfect. And it's time to roll the paratha. So be careful, our dough is really very soft. So do not need to use a roller here, just press it with the help of your finger like this. Here I am gonna sprinkle little kalonji on the top of our paratha. And if you don't prefer, so you can also skip this stage. It's very healthy, so normally I like to use sometime. And be careful, it is not a sesame seed, it's a kalonji or a black cumin seeds. Okay, now it's done, you can see. Okay, now it's time to fry, so I am going to fry, therefore I have heat up the pan on a medium heat and place the paratha like this. Okay, it's done. First we cook this paratha for a while and flip it up. At this stage I am gonna brush a little ghee on the top of paratha. Okay, and flip it up again. Now cook this paratha until golden brown and spread the ghee also here. Now it's time to flip it up again. You can see the paratha, it's almost done. Here I am gonna also brush the little ghee on the top of paratha, and it's totally optional. It should be golden brown from both sides. Okay, you can see our paratha looks really very nice, and it's also golden brown from both sides. With the same process I have made total 4 parathas. Okay, finally it's time to serve. You can see all this layer of our paratha is separated. Looks really very nice, as well as it's also delicious. So serve with any curry or as a breakfast, it's up to you guys. Try this recipe and share your experience in the comments below. As well as like, share and subscribe to my channel to get more tips and tricks related to your favorite dishes. Thank you.